Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kevin Hu from SuperMap International. It's an honor to be stand here in front of you. Today, I'm very glad to share the new progress in SuperMap GIS 2025. Sorry? Okay, again. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kevin Hu from SuperMap. I'm very glad to share the new progress in SuperMap GIS 2025. What's new in GIS 2025? First, we released two new products, SuperMap Agent Server and SuperMap Transform, conversion software. And we launching a new desktop production module, 3D presentation and reporting model. And also, we are continuously enhance the GIS capabilities. Okay, now let's dive into section 1, Geospatial Agent Service Platform, SuperMap Agent Server. What is Geospatial AI Agent? Okay, I think it's based on the general AI agent. It helps us to achieve specific goals. There are 4 steps. First is human intent understanding. Then it will autonomous tasking planning and decomposition. Then they will automatic dispatching tools and goal drive execution. Okay, a SuperMap Agent Server divided into 3 layers. At the bottom is our toolkit layer. Then in the middle is intelligence agent layer to support the upper layer applications. SuperMap Agent Server is a natural language-driven AI agent, which provides 3 core abilities: knowledge agent, workflow agent, and autonomous agent. MCP, Model Context Protocol, enables communicates with the toolkit layers and combined with large language model. SuperMap Agent Server provides geospatial AI capabilities support for up-layer applications. So how does Knowledge Agent empower up-layer applications? Knowledge Agent is a basic level application of AI agent. And we help to build a domain professional knowledge base with retrieval augmented generation technologies to reduce LLM, large language model, goes wrong. AI online help will replace traditional help soon. There is a certain command for urban planning bureau, which products bureau to build a geographic resource management platform. So I want to know which products should be chosen. Now I communicate with the AI help. What products should be chosen, and learn how to deploy those products on a Linux system. So the AI online system will tell me the answer very soon, very easy. So what's the difference about the geospatial AI agent? What's the difference to general AI agent? The difference is we help to build the industry-specific domain knowledge base. How to build the specific knowledge base? First, we upload the document. such as industry regulation and standard fields. Then the agent server will learn knowledge itself. Now I asked, what's the role and the significance of terrain development planning? What's the key consideration in terrain development planning? And now the AI agent will answer me quickly. It's a case, Lianyungang Real Estate Intelligent Q&A platform, covering the entire business progress, achieve three major capabilities: professional accurate Q&A, multi-round dialogue, and automatically equate to human support. Okay, then how does workflow agent empower applications? Now I will give a brief introduce about what workflow agent. Compare with knowledge agent, workflow agent can automatically dispatching GIS tools with workflow, but the workflow you should be available. It means you must build manually the workflow first. So it's a middle level application of AI agent. As we know, cartographic is very important. It can represent the statistic figures in a better way. The workflow agent will help me to statistic the population and the GDP of each province, and then generate thematic maps. So I think the big advantage is a workflow agent will use natural language commands instead of UI operations, especially for those people who are not professional on GIS. He can make the thematic map easily. Okay, and we have a doubles here. Can workflow agent handle more complex tasks? Yes, the answer is yes. You can manually write more professional and complex workflow first. Then our AI agent will empower and automation running the workflow. Okay, here is a demonstration. A workflow agent can coordinate a suitable geoprocessing automation models to give, and also it will give correct parameters to its tools. The video shows us how workflow agent helps us to do the road weighting tasks. Okay, then how does autonomous agent empower applications? What is autonomous agent? Maybe autonomous. The biggest advantage is autonomous agent needn't manually manually prepare the workflow first. So maybe sometimes it's low accurate, but it's high autonomy. It's no need for manually workflow first. It's a high-level application of AI agent. As we know, land usage change detection is complex, but it's very important for land planning. Now I will show you how the autonomous agent helps task planning. First, it will create a workflow. It will select the suitable tools autonomously and then find the change to calculate the increase and the decrease of the area. Okay, here is an autonomous 3D modeling and analysis demonstration. It's planning a task autonomously from building a 3D model, a 3D wet model, then matching the texture, then modeling, and then use 3D sense to run some spatial analysis like view set analysis. Okay, let's see about the new progress in our AI agent server. Now let's dive into section 2. I will introduce another new product, SuperMap Transform. SuperMap Transform is point-to-point different data format conversion tools. It will conversion the spatial data in a batch automatically. Okay, here I give some summaries about capabilities. It's a point-to-point data conversion, which will convert and processing spatial data integration and batch in a batch automatically running. It focus on 3D data format. And it can run on a Quest platform and CPU environment, and also integrate AI assistance modeling abilities. So the precision of the transform is it's a spatial data migration tools. Then it's spatial data governance tools because it's integrate conversion and processing. Then it's FME upgrade and replacement tools. It's a demonstration. I also use AI agent to help me to convert and processing the spatial data in a batch. It will, according to our language command, to select a suitable flow, then convert and modeling a 3D model. Okay, now let's dive into section 3. I will introduce another new progress. Let's be launching a new module for desktop product. It's 3D presentation and reporting model. It's redefined the presentation format of GIS achievement. 3D presentation has become a mission important for digital project bindings and design decisions. I think we have faced this challenge. We should constantly switching between multi-software platform, and maybe it will lose the details during the conversion. So our all-in-one 3D presentation solutions delivers end-to-end workflow. You needn't change different platform. Here is a demonstration. Okay, here is a demo. This is a recent presentation for urban planning. Satellite image as a base map. 3D urban models for the spatial content, and build models as the information backbone. The approach enables real-time design visualization with dynamic real-time design visualization. Okay, now divide into section 4, more efficient 3D modeling technologies. Traditional manual modeling techniques have a low level of automation, and its high error maybe it's bringing a high error rate, especially for a large-scale urban planning. It's low efficient, it's high cost, it's long cycle. It will face big problem from buildable to rapid build and precision build. Take urban utility tunnels as an example. We provide models in batch abilities for pipelines, and utility tunnels, constructing 9 kilometers of pipelines and utility tunnels in just 2 minutes, achieve a big progress in speed improvement. And we also have introduced a Urban Road Design Toolkit. It supports user interactive editing design a road. The designer can adjust attributes like road type, line count, width, and view the judgment effect immediately. As we know, in 2024, we have provided automatic LOD 2.0 modeling capabilities. Based on the high-resolution remote sensing image and terrain data, it will extract the building footprint by AI, classify roof types by AI, and match the model materials and create the 3D building model to construct the spatial infrastructure foundation. And this year, we have upgraded the modeling capabilities based on oblique photograph model individual 3D modeling technology. The geometry are more detailed. Upgrades from LOD 2 to LOD 2.1. And we use real texture, replace the uniform texture. So the texture details upgrade too. Okay. This is the LOD 2.5 individual building modeling process. Okay. Extract building footprint, roof by AI, and we will generate building vector polygons, extract oblique individual buildings, extract and map the real textures with AI. The LOD 2.1 buildings will generation automatic. Now let's dive into section 5, open and flexible S3M data standard. GIS industry standard Spatial 3D model tile data format, effective from November 1, 2023. S3M is a 3D model tile data format based on GIS industrial standard. It's open and flexible. And this year we upgrade the S3M version from version to 3.01. These are the new features in the new version. Nowadays, there is another very hot topic, 3D Gaussian splicing technology. 3D Gaussian splicing technology is an advanced rendering technology that efficiently restructure and rendering high-quality 3D scenes, like the picture left side part. But the original data, if without the 3D Gaussian splicing rendering technology, the effect will like the picture in the right side. As demonstrated in the video, compared to the traditional oblique photograph data, 3D Gaussian splicing shows advantage in present details, especially the 3D Gaussian splitting take up less storage space. So I boldly predict that 3D Gaussian splicing maybe will become the core data standard of the next generation digital infrastructure. Okay, we introduce generate S3M tiles from 3D Gaussian splicing data. This is a culture and tourism application. But To be honest, there is a shortcoming that the 3D Gaussian split technology need a large amount of computing resources. So we make some research based on S3M compressing and web rendering technology. The detailed 3D effect can be represented smoothly on the web applications. Now, S3M also supports hydrodynamic models. This is a web application tool. It represents the changing water features, include water level, depth, flow rate, water temperature, and so on. And to be masked, the 3D tiles from S3S and the 3D tiles we can convert 1 to 1. It's no limit. It will make full use of data resources. So now let's dive into section 6. More realistic 3D visualization technology. We have still enhanced the 3D visualization capabilities by optimized lighting, weather effect, and overall ambience, delivering immersive, high-speed real station experience. Okay, this is a case in Chongqing city. Chongqing digital twin smart city with dynamic sunlight and drift clouds, construct a realistic and cool digital city. Now let's dive into section 7. The first part, remote sensing data production. In terms of accuracy, the production of remote sensing data have a significant improvement with AI in power. The accurate improvement not only on the strong texture area like urban, but also the weak texture area like desert. We have introduced super resolution reconstruction tools. The resolution of the image has seen significant improvement. Okay, we have integrated remote sensing production and application capabilities. In this case, Interact ADVI after image production, remote sensing and GIS application integration further enhance work efficient. Okay, then the second part about remote sensing interpretation. In the last version, we have provided the mainstream classification interpretation functions. And in the new version, we continue to upgrade the models to deliver a more accurate. And when we introduce new models. And we also support sharp interpretation in the new version. Okay, here is introduced about our large model image interpretation. Now we use we have training the 0.5 billion parameter for the large imagery model. Compared to the short part, 2 billion and 1 billion parameter, the accuracy is similar. And from this slide, we can see with the improvement of the large imagery model, with the detection accuracy improved very fast. Okay, now let's divide into section 8. Let's focus on the GIS data security. We have introduced the international encryption technology AES and also Chinese ones SM2 and SM4 to ensure the security of the full life cycle of data. We have updated security configuration capabilities to ensure service configuration security. Okay, not only the original GIS data, but also the tail data. We have introduced dynamic encryption capabilities, prevent an authority access and web scraping. Okay, final, I will make a summarize. In 2025, we released two new products. And also we introduce the 3D prediction and the reporting models, and we continue to enhance the GIS capabilities. Okay, if you can dream it, you can build it with SuperMap, because SuperMap will be your best partner. That's all. Thank you.